How to change country in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the country on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you would like to just change the country on Netflix because maybe you want to watch the shows that are not available in your own country, and the only way you can achieve this is via your VPN. So open up your Play Store or your App Store depending upon what you're trying to use, and then you want to just go ahead and search for a VPN application. Now you can download a generic VPN app such as Tomato VPN, Turbo VPN, and so on. But what I like to do personally is if I'm trying to connect to US and trying to change my country to US, I download a US VPN. If I'm trying to connect to Japan, then I download a Japan VPN, and similarly, depending upon whichever region that I'm willing to connect, just download a VPN that is only dedicated to serving that specific country. Now once you've done that, just open the VPN application and give it all the required access, and now you want to simply go ahead and then make sure to just tap the connect option here. It's going to take a while to establish some type of connection, and after it has done so, you'll be able to see the connecting option here. Now once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and then open the Netflix application, and then you will realize that your country has been changed to the country that you have chose on your VPN app. So this way you'll be able to change country on Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.